Good morning, everybody. How are you? Happy Thursday. We made it to Thursday. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out where I live, and I hope the same for you. I hope you're doing well. I hope your families are doing well. Thank you so much for joining me today for a special edition of our usual live stream. You know that usually we have data science discussion and I take your questions and we talk about a variety of things. But as you also may know, on Thursdays, I've been bringing you special guests. Every day in August, we've had special guests, and today is no different. Today, we are joined by my good friend Lynn. She is an HR analytics specialist. She is a wealth of knowledge on really on a variety of topics in a variety of industries. So I'm really looking forward to hearing from her and hearing her experience and all of the different things that she's done throughout her career. And she's also here to take your questions. So I got to tell you guys, I am so impressed by the people that I've reached out to because I want to make them comfortable. I give them the option of doing video or live stream and they have all said, no, I want to meet the people. I want to come out there. I want to take their questions live. So Lynn has graciously volunteered to, be here among you and be willing to listen to your thoughts, your concerns, and if there's some way that she can help you or give you some advice, she's going to be here for that. So really appreciate you guys being here. So I'm seeing the chat fill up, which is great. I'm seeing people on both Instagram and on YouTube. Um, if you are on Instagram, it might be easier to switch over to YouTube where we have a little bit more of a widescreen view, but it's up to you, whatever platform you're comfortable with. I have put the YouTube link on the Instagram chat for you to click on and then you can view us on YouTube. So guys, go ahead and fill up the chat with your questions. Or maybe you want to wait to hear a little bit more about Lynn so you can kind of think about the questions you want to ask. But really looking forward to this and really happy that we can have these types of special interviews or special streams for you. So Lynn, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
Lynn,
you.
now Lynn, I know your background because we worked at City together, but would you like to share your background and maybe a little bit of your career history or
Sure.
your favorite topics that you want to talk about today?